Hey guys, welcome to Soulful Adventures. This is Hina, and today we are here for doing our next month tarot card reading, and that is for August 2020. It's a Leo season, official Leo season. Yes, it's a time when Sun will travel from his home, that is the fifth house, which is a house of innocence, the inner beauty. It's about inner strength, and I can tell you, it's the time where you will know how to do a self love, how to encourage yourself. It will give you that encouragement. This season will give you that encouragement where you will be outcasting all your creativity and all the I can tell you goals and everything on the stage without a fear. So yes, it's a month of enjoyment, it's a month of fulfillment. Yes, clarity. Definitely whatever is not meant for you will get over in this month, and you will be seeking a clarity for sure. So Leo season is all about the clarity, all about the enjoyment, fulfillment, and yes, goal setting, completion of goals. It's a bright month. It's the energy of the sun, and you will be feeling it. So let's begin with our third zodiac sign, that is for Geminis. So let's see what are the cards for Geminis for the month of August 2020. What is Leo season bringing to Gemini? I'm just shuffling some cards. Okay, I'll take these cards as they are dropped down. So this is your first card, Geminis. This is crossing it. Okay, I'll shuffle more. Let's see. Okay, this came into my hand. Wow, Gemini card again. So this is your third card, your strength. Great. Let's see what Geminis have for their fourth card. Their past influence, the past energies for Gemini. Okay. Your fifth card, that's great. I'll just shift this cards a little so that you can see all the cards properly. This is your fifth card, and the last card we want for Geminis for the month of August 2020, and the last card is Four of Wands. Great. So let's begin for the reign of Gemini for the month of August 2020. So Geminis, your first card which was dropped out is the Tower. Okay, now the Tower means there is some catastrophic sudden changes that is coming into your life. Okay, now you don't have to panic because these changes are going to happen at lightning strike rate. Okay, and it's for your own good. This will bring you a little pain, you will get hurt, but as we say, there is no gain without pain. Yes, this is that kind of change that will occur. Complete transformation. Change can be small, but transformation is more permanent and big, right? So when the Tower comes into reading, it brings a transformation, a sudden transformation, a big transformation, a big change at lightning speed. You will not know that what changed, how it changed. So it is for good. Okay, it can be for good. No, it is for good, but it will make you hurt because you will have to leave all the emotional trauma, the toxicity in your life, maybe toxic people, the toxic feelings, the toxic ideas in your life behind, and move ahead. So when you leave something which you were attached for a long time, yes, you definitely get hurt. It pains a lot, but this pinch is necessary. This change is kind of a pinch for moving ahead, and to remember that you need to put all the toxicity in your life back. Okay, Geminis. And we have, so this is your current situation, Geminis. You are going through this kind of sudden change where you see there is so much to have in future, there is so much to gain in future, and this change is quite necessary and for your own good. But at the same time, it is giving you a lot of pain. It is becoming difficult for you to live certain things, certain people in your life. Okay, so you are going through this situation. We have crossing it as your second card, that is the moon. Now the moon is a card where you have to think deeply. So while you are going through this major changes in your life, take proper decisions, think, reflect. Moon makes you reflect on your past mistakes, on your past things. Don't hold on to something which is no more productive, which is useless, which is causing you pain. You are not enjoying it. You are not, it is not purposeful, it is not resourceful, it is depleting you, and that will create a problem in coming future. So think wisely. When the moon comes in a reading, it allows you to think, reflect upon your mistakes, the past, learn from these lessons and move ahead, because there are many changes that's going to come, that's happening right now. Correct? So you have to think while going on through these changes, right? The third card you have is the Magician. Now guys, the Magician, the third position, the third card meaning is the strength. So definitely the Magician is a Gemini card. So yes, you are the Magician. You have all the capabilities, all the tools, all the ability to move ahead with all your magic. The miracle is going to happen. You just have to manifest. So while you are going through this change, guys, you need to manifest. You need to manifest the goals which you want accomplished, the good deeds, the big achievements, and you will be directed, to that path, and you can achieve those things, the great direction. You just have to put yourself into direction, manifest. The speed will be, coming to you only because this Magician will do his magic. And you can be this Magician because you are your own magician who create magic. You have all the tools, all the necessary tools in your hand. There is lot of success. This is a lot of growth, right? Fulfillment, flourishment, everything. So yes, definitely this is your strength, guys. You are a thinker, you are a magician, you are a communicator. That's your thing, that's your positive thing, it's a forte. So kindly use it, guys, while you go through this change, while you think, right? Now the past influence you had is of 8 of Cups. Guys, now what I can tell you, 8 of Cups is an energy where there could have been any financial problems, money problems. Yes, managing money, spendings were greater, no money left at hand. Okay, it also means that you know now that you poured a lot of love in Cups initially. You did your part, you made all the efforts you have to make, and still something is not working, whether it can be a relationship, whether it can be a job, a new business, or anything. It's not working, right? So what's the solution? The solution is that you just move ahead with not turning back, because however how much you put all the efforts and all the love and all the strength into something which is not going to give you any results or is not productive, then guys, there is no use of putting your efforts into that Cups or that thing or that person, right? So it's better to move ahead. That's what is your present condition. So past is something, the lessons which you need to learn. Now if you see in this card, there is the moon. guys. The moon, the present scenario, what you need to do, the moon, they are telling you to reflect upon your past mistakes. Don't look behind now, don't turn back now. You have chosen your path. There is a sea, that means there is a sea of opportunities. Just move ahead. Accept the present change. Okay, accept the present change. It will be sudden change, a transformation, but think properly, think wisely, that why you don't want to move back. That's what your past influence or past experience is telling you. That's the thing what presently in your life it's going on. So move ahead, change, right? Now the fifth card we have is the Page of Wands. Now this is a future influence. So if as I told you, there is a sea of opportunities in future, right? So this card really reflects that there is a sea of opportunities. Seize them, seize these opportunities, guys, because Page of Wands is a card where there is something passionate or related to your own passion, your own liking, some new opportunity, new plan, new idea that you are seeking from longer time, right? So if you're not looking back over the half cups or the empty cups, if you are accepting the present current situation of change, transformation, with wise thinking, right, with reflection on the past mistakes, then surely, guys, surely you have these new opportunities. So this is your near future. Maybe coming weeks you will find this. There can be new opportunities, new start, new beginning. Looking for new opportunities. That's what your past, present and future cards are telling you. Now we have the sixth card, which will be the overall outcome is Four of Wands. It means that there is a country setting. It can happen that you may receive a news of going into another country, another state, maybe another home, or maybe for someone change of home, or maybe getting married, settling down, building new home. It shows that the Four of Wands shows that there is a happy home. You would be more into building new home. There can be renovations at home. It can be like there can be small family gatherings, togetherness, building something, setting your home, buying something new for the home. It really means that you are searching for new home, or something very homely person, right? So it's like you are setting a new plan, right, guys, for new home. So this can be in a month of August end or September starting, we can say. That's the outcome overall. So if there is something that you are planning of settling down, buying a new home, or may I tell you that new investments or something, there is new future, new opportunities going to come on, then why not to accept this change? Though it's painful, accept this change, a sudden transformation, and it is for your good. Though you will feel very hurtful, very painful right now, but still it's going to give you a good hope, a good opportunity. Just think properly, guys. Use your strength. That's the Magician. Use your confidence. Use your thoughts, right? You people are great thinkers. Geminis are thinkers because they have two minds in one body. Do think properly. Manifest. You can manifest as much as you want. Meditate, manifest, sit with yourself, think what need to be learned, reflect on past, and you will move ahead. Overall energy we got is Eight of Wands, guys. So Eight of Wands is speedy communication. Again a speedy change, again a speedy communication. Someone or something, some good news or some news coming your way. Some people might come to meet you or may approach you directly. Some new opportunities coming to you. Accept the change in the month of August, a fire month. accept the change. It's a month of giving, it's a month of abundance. Make the most of it, guys. We will meet in the month of September for our next month reading. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.